Alright guys, hey, welcome to the Halls of Math. We're going to look at alternate exterior angles today. Remember, alternate exterior means opposite sides, and exterior means the outside of the two main lines that we're looking at today. Okay, so how do we go ahead and solve to find out about alternate exterior angles? Well, the first thing to remember is that both of these angles, let me just go and circle this for you so you can see it. This must be 63, so this up here must be 63. Well, we can see where I'm drawing the arrow at right now. That doesn't equal 63 yet. This down here in the bottom, that equals 63. So now we have to write an equation to solve for x. So the main goal here, we're going to be solving for x. This is how we're going to go about to solve for x. First thing you do is write your equation out, 10x plus 3. You're going to equal that to 63. Alright, so now we have our equation set up. What you want to do is get x by itself, so we must minus 3 for both sides. So you always do the opposite of plus 3, you do the minus. So what happens, the plus 3 and minus 3, they cancel out. The 10x will come down, and then 63 minus 3 is 60. Get x by itself, well, 10 times x, that's multiplication, so you want to divide by 10. And then that gives you x will equal, and 60 divided by 10 is 6. So that's your final answer, x equals 6. But you're not done yet. So we got to make sure both these angles equal 63. Well, the one's already done on the bottom, so now we got to plug 6 into x. So we go like this. Let me go ahead and use blue, let's do black. So we go 10 times 6 plus 3. Well, 10 times 6 is 60, plus 3 equals 63. So when we're looking at this, this equals 63. And remember, it's degrees, so we write degree sign. Always write your measurements down as 63 degrees. So this is how you find ones that you already have one side, but you need the other angle. This is that one there. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide. The next slide, we got to find out how are these both going to be equal to the same. So we have to solve it this way. So we write 11x down plus 2 equals 10x plus 10. The goal here is to get x by itself. So if I was going to do this, I will go ahead and minus the 10x, so from the right hand side. So minus 10, minus 10. What that do, that cancels this 10x out here, and that gives 11 minus 10 is 1x plus 2, and it equals 10. So now what you want to do is take the 2 there, minus 2 from both sides. It gives me 1x equals 8. And if you divide by 1, it gives you 8. So divide by 1, x will equal 8. It's all the same. You can use this as your final answer, or this, either one. But you're not done yet. You have to plug 8 into your equations now. So we go 11 times 8 plus 2. So when we do this, it's going to be 11 times 8 is 88, plus 2 equals 90. And it's 90 degrees. Now we try the next one. 10 times 8 plus 10. Well, 10 times 8 is 80, plus 10 equals 90 degrees. So if you find out that both your answers are the same, that means you did it right. So both sides are equal, both angles are equal. So if you know you got 90 degrees and 90 degrees, you're done. Now if you were off and they're not the same, you need to redo your math to your equation to find out where you made your mistake at. So that's how you find alternate exterior angles and their degrees and their measurements. There's 2 different styles there that you've seen. And these will be our examples that we're going to work on for the rest of the week, our alternate exterior angles. Of course, you can always reach me through live grades, email me, and text me if you need to. So, you all have a good day. I'll talk to you.